Alright, same short, different episode, and to make a difference, let's... Okay, let's just do it that way. Anyway, I look presentable, so that's totally fine. Alright, so today we were gonna make one of my favorite comfort food in Cebu. Alright, so each of us has our own comfort food, because technically comfort food is a food that reminds us of our childhood. Alright, so let's just do this like this, because I don't know, I changed my mind. Yes, because people change their minds.
Okay.
No. So anyway, yes, so today we will be making one of my favorite comfort foods, and that is Ngohiong. Yes, Ngohiong. Ngohiong is a like lumpia but with a twist, because we like to make it twist. And so far I haven't eaten any Ngohiong outside of Cebu, so I've eaten that only in Cebu. So I'm gonna share that recipe to you, because hopefully I might buy this in Manila if I visit to. I don't know. It's my comfort food. I feel at home. I feel good when I eat it, though it's very oily, but it just tastes good for me. Okay, and most of the university students in Cebu knows this recipe, and they have their favorite Ngohiong. But I believe most of us agree that the Chinese Ngohiong near in San Carlos is the best. Alright, but I can't make that, so I will try to recreate Ngohiong, my comfort food, one of my comfort foods. So let's do that right now. Let's go. Alright, for our ingredients, yes, we have our onion, our garlic, eggs, but I'm not sure if we will use all of them later. And then our cornstarch. We have achiote powder for coloring and flavor as well. And then this is our main ingredient. Actually, this is bamboo shoot, and it's expensive here in Japan, I tell you. This cost around 150 pesos in the Philippines, and this is so small only. Yes, 100 grams, 150. And then we have our chicken for additional taste. And then our lumpia wrapper. So we will gonna saute these first, except these two, and except the egg. We will saute them first, and then once the filling is over, and the filling is gone, I mean, when we saute already the bamboo shoot and this meat, then we will wrap it with love and care, just like how you wrap your partner right now, with love and care. And once we're done, let's wrap it in. Yeah, you will see that later. Just watch and learn from this video. Alright, and the best thing in cooking is we can learn. Yes, of course we can learn. The best thing in cooking is we can eat our mistake. Just make sure you're not be poisoned, or you will not poison anybody. Alright, we're good. Ready, go. wrapping time, so I'm not sure whether this tastes really good. This, yes, ginisa po natin yan, but the ingredients are the same, so hopefully, kasing sarap din naman siya ng ngoyong na mga natikman ko. Alright, anyway, let's satisfy this craving. So i-wrap natin siya ng pagganyan. Kung meron kayong ibang technique ng pag-wrap ng lumpia nyo, then you can do that as well. But di naman ako talaga marunong, so let's just do it like this. Okay. And for the breading, this is just my idea because I just imagined that that's how they did it. Because I've read some articles that you need to mix cornstarch with water, and there was this video also that you need to put cornstarch and water together. Yeah, so they have the same thing, but I don't want to do it. Why? Because I just don't want to try it because it's no budget show. Yes, so after that, let's put it in our tatang egg. By the way, if you see that the cornstarch is a little bit pinkish, because we add annatto powder, and then we put it back. Okay, and then we will fry this later. So we will make batches of this. I'm not sure if this works or not. Okay, but I do hope it will. If not, then maybe I will mix. Let's make two with this style, that dry and then lumpia like this one, and then let's mix this with water later. Okay. Alright, so here are our finished product, and do you want to see my face? Or maybe no, you don't need. So first, this is the we separate the flour and not the flour, the cornstarch, the starch, and the egg. Yes, sorry, let's try. And our sauce is ang mahiwagang sauce ng pungko-pungko. Yes. Yan, white onion, and then vinegar. Nope. Not even close. It's not. Maybe too much cornstarch. But I love the sauce. And the filling is so epic fail, but I can eat this. Next is this is the cornstarch mixed with egg. So kinumbine na natin lahat. Ang soft naman. Maybe too much cornstarch, I think. And still, I can eat this. It's fine. And finally, meron tayong ginawang emergency na ngohiong, but it looks epic fail. This is just cornstarch and water, and then we just add the amaretto powder for coloring, because why not? Coconut. Yan, so far this looks the same with Ngohiong Express, but Ngohiong Express is much thinner. Anyway, let's try. There's something missing. I don't know. Maybe because of the sauce. Out of these 3 ngohiong that I've made, the filling is fine. You can eat it. But for the wrapper, the idea of ngohiong is this one. Just the cornstarch and water. Wala nang maraming drama pa. Wala nang yung mga breading dry, tapos egg, wala na ganun. Simple as it is. And then I think what makes ngohiong tastier is the filling, which I don't know how they make it. Or I don't know. It just doesn't feel right. But it's still a comfort food for me, so yeah. Itadakimasu. Oh, I've eaten already. Anyway.
Thank you for finishing the video, and if you want more videos from this channel, please do subscribe and hit that bell and everything, dang 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 dang. And if you're not yet part of the small fam that I'm trying to make, join the button. Yes, and videos, but other interesting videos over there. Thank you so much, and see you to our next video.